Hey guys, I'm Zach Ray with MarineMax Coco. Today I'm going to be showing you around the 2023 Harris Solstice 230. It's a saltwater edition, black flake paint on the outside here. And this beautiful tri-tune is pushed by this massive Mercury 300 four-stroke motor. First thing I want to point out to you about the inside of this Harris is it's got this huge, sturdy, four-step ladder. You can get in and out of the boat easier than you can on almost any other boat right here. This Solstice comes in the single lounger configuration. Sun lounger seat on your stern, perfect for lounging out, taking in some rays. All right, this boat's got the double bimini. Gives you plenty of shade when you're out on the water. Take a look at this helm here. First thing to mention, these deluxe, super high captain's chair right here. It's gonna give you, like you're at home eating a TV dinner in your recliner, but you're out on the lake. You got your Sinrad displays, LED RGB lighting, a digital throttle, and you've got your JL audio throughout the boat as well. As we make our way towards the bow of this boat, you'll see right off the bat we've got more storage than you'll ever need. We've got floor storage here, pop some fishing poles, some of your longer gear in here. Plenty of storage there into that middle tune. Then you've got plenty of seat storage here. Fit all your gear. More storage all up under here. You've got easy access out of the boat or to the dock through the side and off the bow. Got 3 cup holders per seat. You can fit all your Kool-Aid and Capri Suns you want in there. On this Solstice model, here towards the stern, we've got 2 fender holders and your ski bar. So you can pull your tube, your knee board, your skiers, anything, and it'll be a breeze with this huge Mercury 300. You can pull just about anything you want to. All right guys, that's been a quick look at the 2023 Harris Solstice 230. If you have any questions about this boat or you just want to come and take a closer look at it, come and see us at MarineMax Coco or give us a call at 321-636-3142. Thank you.